Hello, welcome to today's lecture. Today we're going to be reviewing a message from Lantos from many years ago, 16 years ago in fact, talking about what we're seeing happening right now. So I want to make sure that everyone understands the process that we're going through. First, just a reminder of the fountains, the Singing Seed fountains. Many of you have ordered them, which is wonderful. We need as many of them out there as possible. The importance of the Singing Seed fountains for the entire world, to strengthen the world mother seed, to strengthen the initial rotations of creation and rid the world of negativity. This is paramount right now. So we need as many of these fountains out there as possible. If you already have a fountain on order and you have family that you think would benefit from it, you should get one for them. As many fountains as possible. Each fountain equals roughly 140 people spinning the song. So each fountain has a significant effect. And remember what Lantos said last time, just a few days ago, about the influence of a singing seed fountain on the home. He said, a turning seed fountain generates waves of initial rotations. A home which swings in the waves of initial rotations is a home blessed by the highest forces and graced by the highest beings. It is a place worthy of this precious life. Blessings are bestowed upon all who enter. Those residing here find peace and happiness, balance and abundance. Blessed indeed are those who call this sacred location home. So that was Lantos' remark on the effect of a singing seed fountain on your home, but of course, the effect that we're all very interested in is the effect on the entire world. Each fountain will have a fundamental effect, a significant effect on the world. Now, I mentioned to you that we were going to review a message from Lantos from 16 years ago, talking about what we're seeing right now. Those of you who have gone to my two-day seminars have heard this message, because I share it with each group because it's important for everyone to understand this process of the removal of negativity. Lantos said, "Good morning, dear ones. Let us enjoy the beauty and splendor of our surroundings. As the energies and guiding forces of Earth shift, so too will shift the expressions of manifestation upon this Earth. Change and evolution will come to the small, small animals, as well as to the large, large trees. Weather will be altered. We will see these changes coming on all levels of creation. Winter passes as spring emerges. We are blessed with the first buds of spring in the garden of creation. As the forces of balance and harmony rise up to the surface, the elements of negativity and destruction will naturally subside. We will notice both of these things happening. It is a natural process. We will witness the emergence of greater blessings and support, while at the same time we will face the passing clouds of destruction as they are removed from this Earth's domain. Such a time of transformation, such days of change. You are the pioneers of this change. It is a great blessing. We wish to express to you our deepest levels of gratitude for your work and acts of service. Blessings." So we see Lantos talking about this process of the removal of negativity, a natural process, the emergence of blessings and support, the removal of the passing clouds of destruction as they are removed from Earth's domain. This is a great period of time. Remember, Lantos has said that those of us who are alive on Earth today, this is the greatest blessing, the greatest time to be here. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for everything that you do, not only to help yourselves and your families, but for the entire world. Remember, as with all of the tools, everything you do for yourself, whether it's using the flame or the wand, whether it's spinning the song, whether it's using the pendant of eternal light, whether it's getting a fountain, everything that you do for yourself also benefits the entire world, and that is our job, to help everyone else on Earth through this period of time and to bring forth the golden form, the great star of Genesis. Okay, everyone. Again, thank you. Have a great rest of your week. I'll see you on Sunday.